will see whether we'll forgive them or not. These people, we must make sure that we take this land back to the people of Sophiatown. We are proud to join those who came before us. They have not returned anything to us except stealing everything from us and return the land. The EFF goes into government, it's not going to play. We expropriate farms, we give them to the farm workers. There is no white man who works the farm. You must choose a school and go and attend school there free of charge.
So we can't be given food without meat. That is the highest form of disrespect.
Yamahala. 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 Mahala. You're a mahala. If we want a free uniform, we must commit crime and then free uniform. Free of charge. Free. It must be double free. Free water, free electricity. They are thieves. The stolen land belongs to us. They are thieves and they must be referred as such. Every time you see them, you must say thieves. Let's go and reclaim our land. EFF, the EFF, 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 this EFF.
Viva EFF, viva!